Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located right here in Medford, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned store location. Right here in front of us, we got a 2017 25Y Arctic Fox. Amazing layout. You're going to have a two-door entryway. This is to the main bedroom. You're going to have your power stabilizing jack systems there for you, battery disconnect switch, and a very nice pass-through with lots of storage underneath for you. As we continue walking down, you can see you have a power awning, outdoor entertainment speaker systems, plug-in switches there for you. It is a double axle, and it also is a all conditions unit, 4 seasons ready. As we walk in, you're going to have a really nice layout and floor plan here for you. Dinette face-to-face table, it drops into a bed. You're also going to have your rear couch, makes it nice. Lots of airport storage right above. Entertainment center facing right there for you. One thing I love you can't have too much of is natural lighting to bring more of the natural light inside the coach so you don't have to use so much power. You're going to have speakers throughout the coach itself too. 3 stovetop gas burner. Nice oven layout here for you. My favorite thing, a little trash chute, easy access to right back here to release it and dump out your trash for you. As we continue, nice refrigerator space, does match with the wood frame itself. Really deep freezer. As we continue, we're going to the master bedroom. Walk around queen bed. Lots of overhead storage and wardrobe closet. One thing I like, laundry chute. Throw your dirty clothes down there. Keep it down there. Also right over here, more wardrobe closet. You are going to have a corner shower here for you. Lots of space. And then you're going to have your out sink here for you. Medicine cabinet. So folks, if you think this one might be the right one for you, I recommend coming down here at Johnson RV. Get a chance to take a look at our 2017 25Y Arctic Fox. Ask for John and I'll be happy to take care of you.